Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today I'm using the Koda. I'm going to be cooking a pepperoni pizza. Let's go make it. Okay, made the pizza. Here it is. Just give it a bit of wiggle. I need to check the temperature in the oven. Okay, I think that's all right. I'm gonna just give it a little wiggle again and then put it in. Whew. I forgot to turn it down. Oh gosh, yeah. Oops. Yeah, forgot to turn that down, so I never cook on full. Hope everyone's doing okay in this lockdown, if you are in lockdown. And, ooh. This is cooking faster than I thought. Let's just have a look. Okay, just needs a bit more on that bit there. Wow, that's cooking much faster. This is a 24-hour room-proof, 62%. I think the flame's on about half at the moment. It's really going for it. Bit of try. Love the way it's cooked the end of the pepperoni there. Try that bit. I used a different tomato sauce this time, and it's not as good as the one I normally use, which is Valfrutta Italian tomatoes with herbs. That's my go-to tin of tomatoes, but I still prefer the other type. 24-hour room-proof dough and a 62% hydration. But look at all the juice from that pepperoni running off this pizza. There's a lot. This is delicious, so tasty, so good, very, very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.